video, I'm going to go over how to edit your property update settings. So from within your agent dashboard, if you come over here to Home and then Bio, and then click on Property Update right here, you'll go to your Property Update settings. This is the information that is going to be sent to anybody that signs up for a Property Saver account. So for instance, if I'm in my account and I've set up a search to send me new properties and alerts on price changes like this, when that email comes through, it's going to have a header and a footer. So in this section, you're going to put in the header. That might be something that says, below is your newest property update. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions or see a property that you would like to visit. And then in the bottom, you would put your signature. So in this case, I would put, and then I would put your phone number and your email and your web address if you have it. You can also set it up so that it automatically creates an immediate saved search email for every client of yours that signs up, and it enables behavioral lead emails. Behavioral lead emails are going to be an email that is going to send based on the person's searches if they don't go in and create their own search. So based on the properties that they're looking at, it will actually automatically send them emails of properties that are similar to the ones they've been looking at. And when you're done, you're going to go ahead and save the changes. And you can also send yourself a sample email update. That will send it directly to you, whatever email address you have on file, and you will get a sample to view what your customer is going to view. You can also change this so that it will send you a summary every week of any property updates that your clients get. You can get an individual email for every property update that every one of your clients gets, or you can set it up that you get no copies of any emails that your clients get. So that's it. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call or shoot us an email over at support@yoursiteneedsme.com. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, pero, yeah. Oh, yeah.